Video, we're going to continue the second part of this low air chamber, starting with the hexagonal base. We draw polygon. This polygon will have a circle, which is that 116, so we don't need to draw any other circle. So we go from this end to that edge and then do extrude. Then click on all these corners. Then join this. We need 11. That will give that lower base. Top here we have two holes. One hole is 10 mils. Extrude, which is minus 42 depth. We go to the bottom of this hole to another sketch. That one is going to be 4 mils. And then we extrude that bottom. And I click OK. That should be done. Then after that, we're going to draw these webs. We need to create some geometry around because those webs won't have any base. So I'll look for a plane which goes through these sides. So I draw a sketch on that plane, zoom in, P for projected geometry. I pick that. So that we have some geometry around this thing we want to design. I'm going to put an extra geometry on this edge because this one doesn't seem to pick the curved edge. Then I will draw an arc, 3-point arc. Before I draw an arc, I want another geometry around here. Then we align, then go in by 6.97, 6.92, sorry, which is that dimension there. This is where the arc is going to start from. So I do the arc again from that point to anywhere around there. Then I'm going to dimension this arc by 64.7, which is around there. Now I need to suppress most of these lines, otherwise they're going to appear to disturb me. Change them to construction lines. I can as well even trim them because I don't think they will affect the curve. We've already done the curve. So let me trim them off. Delete this one because there's another line underneath it. Okay. Then after doing that, I go to solid. I do a rib. And direction. That is the rib. Everything should be okay. The rib is 4 millimeters. That's the rib there. It's the correct position. We need 6 of these. So go to pattern, circular pattern. Pick that rib. Select the axis and a round place. Make sure this reads 6. And then click OK. So that is done already. There is a radius of 5 millimeter around here. So I can as well put it there now. Then I put the other geometry which is on this top here. So we're going to use the slot tool. So do overall slot from here around there. Now you have to type the dimension here. It's supposed to be radius of 8.25 times 2, that is 16.5, because this is a diameter radius. And after that, all you need is to constrain that curve to be tangent to those edges. This one may not reach the end, so what we'll do, we're going to trim off this end, and as well trim off any other part, the curve on this side. After we have done that, we use the extend tool and extend this to the end. Extrude this by 2 mils. It's from this direction. That is what we need. In the middle of this, we have a hole, which is here, 10 millimeters, which is through. And that hole is located on 114.89 PCD. So we draw first that PCD, 114.89. Change that onto a construction. Then go to circle, press circle there, 10 mils. Extrude, then extrude all and cut. So if you tilt this a bit, you're going to see the cuts coming out. That's the thing. You need 6 of these. So I can go back to circular pattern, pick that and that. Can hold shift down, then choose the axis. Make sure you have 6 of them and click OK. So that's also done. So the only thing we're remaining with is the curve around those edges, which is the same as the curve of that outside extrusion. So I go here, pick that edge, I pick all the edges. Edge. Done. Those are 6 edges. The diameter with the radius, sorry, will be 8.25. So that finishes everything required on that drawing. So one thing we can do is to change the material or just change the appearance. You can work out the material yourself. Click OK. And that is the end of that.